Welcome back to our video blog. My name is Michèle Soregaroli. I'm a Master Certified Coach, and I specialize in differentiation strategy for entrepreneurs and business owners. I am wanting to talk to you today about how to use vision and systems and processes as key differentiators in your business, and how are they even related? When you're looking to differentiate your offer, what is a key differentiator is actually the integrity inside your offer. So when people are looking to buy from you, they are looking at how sincere and how authentic and how real your commitment is to your value proposition and their experience of your work. In terms of the vision that you have for your business and how you create consistency and predictability through your processes and systems, those two pieces are what build some of the key differentiators that you can lean on as you're structuring your offer. You might look at the past. What does the past bring to your offer? What relevance does it have? What's the backstory that makes your current story real and authentic and sincere? Then in your real story today, what is the meaning in it? What is the significance in it? Why is it important in the present? And then as people look to the future, what do they get to anticipate? What is it growing into? What is the good that is going to come from the work that you've done? So as people your buyers or the market or consumers are out there assessing whether they want to do business with you, they are looking at a couple of things. They're looking at whether your backstory has anything to do with your current story. They're looking at whether or not your current story has meaning and substance in it. And they're looking at your future story to see whether there's something that's exciting that they get to anticipate through your work and whether they honor the work that you're doing out in the world. These differentiation strategies have massive impact in terms of the emotional connection that you can create with the market, with your buyers, with your clients and consumers. If you don't start thinking about the story as an arc through your offer, you're missing an opportunity. Your story right now and your story in the future are great, but they need a backstory too. If you're only leaning into your backstory and your current story, they're missing the anticipation and the future story. So I want you to be thinking about your differentiated offer as an arc, a story arc that has real consistency and integrity throughout it, so that there's no doubt at any point whether or not your offer is sincere. For now, I enjoy the experience of chatting with you. I invite you to come back anytime with questions or for conversations, and I wish you, as always, success differently. Thank you.